Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with a new video and of course a new topic. The S sound and Z sound have almost the same pronunciation if you hear that at the end of the word. The S sound is an unvoiced sound. The Z sound is a voice sound. So, in this today's topic, we will discuss and also find out what words are pronounced with s sound and z sound at the end of each word. And here are some examples. Eyes, eyes, face, face, place, place, prize, price, lose, lose, rise, rise. So that's all are the example of the words and how to pronounce each word. So that's all for today's video and hope you like it. See you in another video. Bye!